Sorry.
I detect poltergeist activity.
Sorry, I'm jet lagged.
Well, please find a seat, Miss Lagged. Thank you. Wasn't that funny? Now settle down while I dredge up another one of my stultifying lectures. Man needs his myths, his legends, and his monsters. Even the most primitive civilizations have God-based religions to explain the origins of life and its orders. It would appear that man and woman needs the angel on one shoulder to counter the devil on the other. It's a way, perhaps, not only to avoid full responsibility for one's actions and failures, but to exercise the imagination as well. From devils to monster movie icons, society has needed its beasts to keep the status quo and to win American football scholarships.